Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a powerful email marketing tool that works seamlessly with Elementor? In this quick review, we will explore Site Mailers 2025 updates, including their brand new Elementor based email login integration. Let's dive in. Site Mailer is a lightweight but powerful email marketing platform designed especially for creators, small businesses, and WordPress users. It offers drag and drop email builders, automation, signups, forms, analytics, and now Elementor integration that lets users log in or subscribe directly through Elementor widgets. The newest feature for 2025 is the site mailer email login widget for Elementor. With this, users can sign in or sign up to your email list directly through a stylish customizable block. No coding needed. You can customize everything from fields, text redirect links to tag tags and automations without leaving Elementor. To get started, go to your SiteMailer dashboard. Copy the API key, then paste it into the Elementor. Then go to Integration tabs. Once connected, you will unlock all SiteMailer widgets inside Elementor's editor. SiteMailer API key. You can also use SiteMailer's forms for lead generation, email capture, and design, and login gates. Once someone logs in or signs up, you can trigger automatic email flows like welcome emails, coupon codes, or content drips right from the SiteMailer dashboard. The interface is super clean and beginner friendly. Seamless Elementor integration, great for WordPress users, clean UI and drag and drop tools, affordable for small creators, cons. Fewer third-party integrations than Mailchimp or ConvertKit, limited A/B testing tools in the free plan. Overall, SiteMailer is a solid email marketing option, especially if you are using Elementor in 2025. What a full want a full setup tutorial or automation walkthrough? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.